Do you know what becomes more clear the older I get? Why the Grinch wanted to live alone with his dog. Today I have an overwhelming urge to just dive right into today's Dollar Tree haul. So the first two items are some puzzle books. I'm going to be doing an entire video really soon on gift basket ideas for the holidays, all things Dollar Tree related. So you will see some items in here that you'll also see part of that gift basket video, and I will announce on my Instagram, by the way, when I'm going to be releasing that. So if you're not following me over there, I'm going to give you guys a heads up. But anyways, so I love the puzzle books. We've got Sudoku, yeah, I think that's right. And I love this one. These are so good. And then we've got the word finds, plus they have crossword puzzles as well. I just wish that there were other type of puzzles, like logic puzzles and things like that, but I personally have never found those at Dollar Tree. Okay, then I found, which I could not believe I found this at Dollar Tree, but these massive bags of the teddy bear cookies. What? I found the chocolate chip. Isn't that this one? Yeah. So I found the huge bag of chocolate chip, and then we've got the original honey one. I mean, this is just massive for $1. I don't know that we'll ever see these again. Maybe once they're on the shelves, and then once they're gone off the shelves, maybe they'll never come back. I don't know. But I saw them and knew immediately I had to pick them up and get those for the pantry. I also found this darling little book. I feel like it's been a minute since I've found just a good little book to read for my niece, and I thought this one was really awesome. Joey, the Super Sock Hero. And just the illustration is really nice too. I mean, I'm always impressed every time. If you're new to my channel, I'm always impressed by the children's books at Dollar Tree. The illustrations are really good. I mean, look at this. Look how amazing that is. And yeah, it just blows my mind, to be honest. Wow, this has the Dollar Tree brand on the back. That's kind of crazy. I wonder how that whole thing just works. I don't even know. But always impressed by their book selection. And then I found new stickers, which I now find incredibly hilarious, because I was just hooting and hollering a few hauls ago how the stickers were like, but I found some cute ones. And it has a little travel themed. So if you're just into scrapbooking, or maybe even some type of journaling of some sort, these will be really cute for that. We've got this little set of like taking selfies. These could also be great stocking stuffers too, if you just know someone in the fam that just loves stuff like this. I would pick up some of these stickers. I think that they'll fit pretty nicely in most stockings. And then I found the little dogs, which is hilarious. Dog people are good people. And they've got little toys. Look at the little bathtub. That's really cute. Love that. Okay, then I have this piece of decor, which blew me away. I thought it was really cute. Just a holiday piece. It says Merry Christmas, which I absolutely love that font. And then we've got the barn, so it looks like a snow globe. And I'm trying to think, did I haul any other pieces that are similar to this? I don't feel like I did. Not in the snow globe effect, I guess, but I have some tabletop decor that has like Santa and maybe even a snowman. I think that's right. But not, like, again, not in a snow globe feature. So I'm wondering if there were other snow globes with other like prints on the inside. If you know, comment down below and let me know. But I just found this one randomly, like in an aisle, just thrown by itself. So I just love that. It's very farmhouse. And a little twine addition to it. So cute. You don't have to DIY it or anything. It's just cute the way it is. Okay, I also got some basket filler in the white. Dollar Tree has these. They also sometimes, you'll find like specialty versions of these, meaning not solid colors. They'll do sometimes like a metallic set. I found one, I don't remember when it was, but it had a fall vibe to it. It was gorgeous. But the majority of the time throughout the entire year, you really only find the solid colors. So always keep an eye out for the basket fillers for like the different styles, if that makes sense. But I wanted white, so I picked that one up. Then I just got a thing of honey. It's really, really cute. I love the honey bear. And then we've got high five. Yeah, so there's that. And then I picked up another one of these cream-filled wafers in the chocolate hazelnut. I also found the dark chocolate version too, but I always prefer the hazelnut in this. And these are so cute. You're gonna definitely see this in a gift basket. And I think they're perfect for that because of the size, and then just the color, the red popping through is really nice too, so it gives it that holiday look. So I love those. But I might end up going back and getting the dark chocolate as well. And I found these, which I've never seen these before at my Dollar Tree. And they're just like those cream-filled, they're shortbread cookies with a fruit center. And I'm wondering, are they individually wrapped? I should have bought a second one. I think I need to go back and get a second one, but this one I also got for a gift basket. But how amazing would this be if they were individually wrapped? That would be really cute too. But even then, if you didn't want to like put a whole box in a gift basket and maybe make it look a little bit more homemade, you could just get like those clear like Ziploc bags or sandwich bags and tie a little ribbon and put a couple of these in there so that it's see-through, so that you can actually see the cookie. And then again, just tie a little bit of ribbon and then put that in the gift basket, and that will look really cute and homemade, so that you don't have like the whole box look if that isn't what you're going for. Okay, then I picked up the basket bags, and this is for that basket video, and this comes with 2 pieces, so you could do 2 gift basket with these. They also have the shrink wrap ones too. This is not that one, but they do have the other set where you just take like the blow hair dryer to it and it shrink wraps it around the item. They have that option too, but I decided to forego that and get this one. I also got these little chocolate bars, which I just love. You guys, I don't know why, but I find this incredibly adorable. I love the print. It's just so festive and jolly. I think the tree is probably my favorite out of all of them for some reason, but the whole gang is really adorable too. And they are milk chocolate bars. So you get 4 in here for $1. Then I picked up the green and white candy canes, which is actually by Now and Later, and this is the apple flavor, which, hello, these are really cute for stocking stuffers. I always have to put candy canes in the stockings, like one of the most traditional items that I put in me and my daughter's stockings, and then just have them hang out so you can see them. The apple will probably go in mine, but I just put like 2, and then I'll put a couple in hers too. But I'm also going to use some of these in a gift basket as well. But really excited about that. I think there was a red version of Now and Later, but I'll have to take a look again when I go back to Dollar Tree. Okay, I also picked up these. Now, I don't think these are worth the $1 because of the quantity that you get. So these are just fine hazelnut chocolate candies. They are so incredibly delicious. But I did decide to get this because you're going to see it in a gift basket. And I think the packaging of the 3 is really cute too. I think it's just perfect for a gift basket. But at the end of the day, I still think probably better buy at like Walmart or something like that. I also picked up some candies. I did Mike and Ike's. I did some Sour Patch Kids. When I lived at the last house, if you're new to my channel and you haven't watched like all of my hauls, which honestly, comment down below, let me know if you've caught every single one of my Dollar Tree hauls. That would, honestly, that would blow my mind because I've been doing Dollar Tree hauls for over 5-6 years. That's a lot of videos. But anyways, what I was trying to get at is that, is my daughter, what is she screaming about up there? I think she's watching Stranger Things. I don't know what's happening up there. But So anyways, in the last house, I used to haul a lot of these box candies from Dollar Tree because I had a game room, and so I don't know why I say that, it was a game room. But now I don't actually keep candy up in the media room at all. But you'll see these in a future video as well. So anyways, Sour Patch Kids, we've got the M&M peanuts, which are my favorite. Let me know, are you a plain M&M? Are you a peanut M&M? I feel like I'm the only person in my family that likes peanut M&Ms. Everyone else is like plain, and I'm like, no, it's peanut. But anyways, I also got the Turtles bites, which I love the Turtles candy too. So yummy. Absolutely love this. And it's the original pecan, I don't know. Okay. Then I also got, which I bought several of these in the past, I got the popcorn container, and I also got it in the single serving, which they sell these by 2 for $1, which is awesome. I think these are really neat because you could label somebody's name, and like, you know, if you're setting up like a whole popcorn movie night, that would be really cute. Go check out my last haul from Friday, and I hauled like a trifle container, and I talked about doing like a popcorn bar. That would be really cute. You could just go to Dollar Tree and literally set up a little private, you know, movie theater party at your house. So I'm definitely going to be doing that with my daughter, but I got these for an upcoming video. And then I got the Carmax lip balm. I needed a lip balm, and I actually went back and forth, but I decided in the end this one was the one I wanted. But they also have this in a red, which I imagine is like the cherry flavor. I'm not really sure. But I decided to go with the original, and I got the cough drops. I can't believe this brand is at Dollar Tree. Is it a little dark? Let me see. Let me turn you guys up a little bit. I don't know why I feel like the camera definitely got dark there for a minute. I'm really sorry that it was dark, but I can't believe Ricola is at Dollar Tree for $1. You do get 10 drops in here, but still, I still like the small packaging on it too. I think it's really cute. All right, then I found this, which is coffee. They're like little individual packets of coffee. And I don't think I've ever seen this at Dollar Tree before. Did it just get dark again? All right, I think I adjusted the lighting, but I don't know. I feel like it got dark again. But anyways, there's 50% more coffee in each little packet. You get 6 single serve packets in here, but I just liked the whole packaging system. I think it's awesome, and you're gonna see this in a gift basket video too. All right, then I also picked up some boxes of tea, and I just love the packaging on these. They're really, really cute. And these are the 2 that I found. So we've got this one, which is the peach and passion fruit, and then this one, which is apple and cranberry. And you know me, this one's probably gonna be my favorite, but I think the packaging is really beautiful, and if you're gonna do a gift basket and do like a little tea themed basket, these would be a great pickup for that at Dollar Tree. Okay, then I picked up, this is kind of random because everything seems to be somewhat food related, but I found a new cleaning brush at Dollar Tree. I've never seen this there before, and this is a no scratch scrubber by Everclean. And oh, it's distributed from Fort Worth, Texas. That's pretty cool. Anyway, so I just wanted to show you guys that I found these. So I'm not sure if this is gonna be an item that we'll see, you know, from here on out, or once it's gone off the shelves, is it gone forever kind of thing. That's the mystery of Dollar Tree, you guys. All right, then, and was it Friday's video? I don't remember what video it was, but it was recently. It was either Wednesday or Friday's Dollar Tree haul, but I hauled the vanilla bean and peppermint, and I talked about how I was not going to stop hunting down the rest of the products related to that. And I did find the hand cream. I asked you guys to tell me what else was in that collection, and one of you said there was hand cream, and I made a mental note of it, put it down on my list, and I found it. So this is the vanilla bean and peppermint. And now what I'm so giddy, is giddy the right word? I don't think giddy's the right word, but I think that the vanilla bean and peppermint is very holiday-ish, and I just have been very excited to kind of complete this collection. So now I have this mist and I have the hand cream. The question is, So the mist looks like this, but this is not vanilla bean and peppermint, okay? This one is coconut and wild berries. The vanilla bean and peppermint is somewhere else in my bathroom, I think. But the question now is, what else is in the collection? So anyways, so I got the spray for coconut, and then I also got the matching hand cream for the coconut and wild berries. But with coconut and wild berries, they also have this, which is the bath crumbles. So the question is, does vanilla bean and peppermint have bath crumbles too? I would think logically that it would, because it matches this entire collection as well, but I did not find the vanilla bean and the bath crumbles. But it sounds like bath salts, and maybe it's just a different way that they're saying it. But how beautiful is this packaging? This would be such an easy go-to gift for the holidays. Like that's it, and it's just, the packaging is beautiful. Oh, and I also found the bar soap too, in the coconut and wild berries. Oh, I wish I could find this in the vanilla bean and peppermint, but I did find it in that other one. And I also found the body wash. Again, this is coconut and wild berries. So if we were to just assume that vanilla bean and peppermint was supposed to look like coconut and wild berries, then we're missing the body wash, we're missing the hand soap, and we're missing the bath crumbles. So there's that. I also found a foot scrub, which has a peppermint name to it, but this one says peppermint and eucalyptus. So it's not the vanilla bean and peppermint. But I don't know that I've ever seen a foot scrub from Bolero. Maybe I have. But anyways, really beautiful little product, would look great in a gift basket too. And then I found even more Bolero products, which are the facial masks. Oh, it's so pretty. Just the design on the packaging is really lovely. And we've got a moisturizing and hydrating, which is pineapple and aloe. And then we've got the calming and soothing, which is orange blossom and lavender. Pick these up, stocking stuffers, gift baskets, or just because you want to have a little spa beauty night for yourself. So those are awesome. And then the very last thing is another bath bomb. I showed you guys 3 bath bombs in one of my recent hauls. I found another one that I don't think I had in the original video, and it's Mermaid Life, and it is honey and pear. Alright, that's it for today's Dollar Tree haul. I'm so excited. I still cannot believe I found these. I think these were an awesome steal for $1. I don't know if you can tell, but they filled these up to the top, you guys, of these little cookies. So I think those were really awesome, and I'm excited that I found, again, the vanilla bean and peppermint. I just wish that I could complete the entire collection, like the coconut and wild berries, but maybe. I think I'm gonna go head off to a different Dollar Tree that I've never been to before in the area and see what else I can find. But that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.